Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And guys, right now, guys, we're gonna be playing. Guys, hit the button once again. Now, guys, the ones that we're gonna be doing today, guys, it's not halves this time. We're 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 gonna do, guys, times tables. So yeah. So guys, we've done all the easy ones already, guys. So guys, I'm gonna try, guys, moving on to the harder ones. I don't know, guys, if I've did them on my channel before, but however, let's just get started with this. So yeah, play. Okay, guys, and remember it's times tables. So we've done number bonds, we've done doubles, we've done halves, we've done division facts, we've done square numbers. Now we're doing times tables, guys. I have done square numbers on my other videos, but they never had me face in. I never had the OBS studio about that. Well, with that, yeah. The way that I put my face in my videos, guys, you can see, like, at the bottom, I use the OBS studio. That's how I put my face in my videos. So yeah, but however, let's do times tables. Okay? And guys, I am gonna make, guys, other videos of me doing times tables, but I'm gonna do them where I do hit the question. So yeah, hit the answer means, like, that's the question, but where's the answer? And hit the question means that's the answer, but where's the question to the answer? So yeah. So guys, let's think, guys, which one should we do? Guys, you know what, guys, I'm gonna do I was thinking of doing the 11s, but I have did them on my channel. So yeah. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do, guys, 11 times table. Why not? Let's do, guys, 11 times table, guys, and let's see, guys, what score I get on that. So yeah, let's do the 11s. Okay, hit the answer. 11 times table. Okay. Now, guys, we're doing 11. We're gonna be doing, guys, 11 times table for today. So yeah, and in my other videos, guys, I will do more times tables, but I will. In my other videos, guys, I will do hit the button videos, but I will do more times tables. So yeah, but right now for this hit the button video, we're doing 11s. So yeah. Anyway, let's get started. And guys, I'm not gonna talk this time, guys. I'm just gonna, like, stay nice and quiet, and let's see what perfect score I get. So yeah. So 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, that is, guys, the best score ever. I scored 41 out of 43. Guys, that is, guys, a perfect score I got right there. So yeah. So guys, yeah. Another thing, guys, I did get guys, I got, guys, how many? About 2 or 3 wrong. So I actually no, 2 wrong, guys. So guys, apparently, guys, on this one, guys, I got, guys, 2 wrong apparently. But however, guys, I'm gonna try what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna do this, guys, 4 times, and then I'm gonna end this video here. So yeah. So let's do it, guys, 3 more times, and then I'm gonna end this video here. So yeah, let's do it again. Play. scored, guys, 39 out of 41, so I got 2 wrong again. So yeah. Yeah, guys, I got guys 2 wrong again. So yeah, I scored 39 out of 41. But guys, that's still, guys, really good, guys. I'm so good at times tables. So yeah. So guys, what we're gonna do, guys, that was, guys, the second round, guys. I'm gonna try, guys, two more rounds, and then we're gonna end this video here. So yeah. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, play. Guys, that is even better. I scored 46 out of 47. Guys, that is amazing. So yeah, I got one wrong though, guys. Guys, I cannot believe, guys, I scored that and hit the button. I got much fast. It looks like I'm getting much faster than before. So yeah. But anyway, guys, that was the third round, guys. We're gonna try, guys, for the fourth round. And I don't know, guys, if we'll get higher than 46 or 47. Let's see, guys, if I can get higher than 46 and 47. So yeah. I don't know, guys, if I'll do that, but we'll give it a try. Let's try again for the fourth round. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Guys, I can't think right now, guys. That is literally so terrible. Oh my gosh, how many did I get wrong? Let me think about this. So that's 7. Wait. Guys, I got, guys, 11 wrong. Are you kidding me right now? So guys, I got 3 great scores and I've got 1 bad score. So yeah, how in the world did I get a bad score on 11 times table? Guys, that's literally impossible. Who in the world gets a bad score on 11s? Well, that can happen for some people, but however, yeah. And guys, another thing, guys, on my channel, guys, I will make a video where I do the hardest one of them all, the 12 times table, guys. They're the hardest of them all. Well, they're hard for me, but I bet they're not hard for you. 12s might be easy for you, but not for me. They're really hard, guys. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get bad scores when I play that. When I go online. But however, yeah. Let's kick off. This guy's here. So guys, hope you guys liked that video, guys. Hit the like button if you like it, guys, and guys subscribe to my channel, guys. We had a lot of fun playing this today, so do be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification, and comment, like, subscribe. So yeah. So goodbye for now. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.